Windows 10 Hidden God Mode. Did you know Windows 10 has a hidden folder that gives you access to hundreds of settings in one place? It's called God Mode. Step by step, number 1, right-click on an empty area of your desktop. Number 2, select New Folder. Number 3, rename the folder to Number 4, press Enter. The folder icon will change. Number 6, double-click it, and you'll see a huge list of Windows settings. Instead of searching through different menus, God Mode puts many Windows settings in one convenient place. You can access tools for system management, devices, networking, personalization, power options, and much more. Save this folder on your desktop for quick access. If you use Windows 10, try this hidden trick. And don't forget to subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks.